Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how AI is revolutionizing the education system. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a part of our daily lives, and the education sector is no exception. In this video, we will explore the applications and benefits of AI in education. Artificial intelligence can be defined as an advanced form of an algorithm that empowers machines to simulate human behavior in real-life circumstances. In the modern era of technological progression, there is hardly any field left that is untouched by artificial intelligence in some form or another. Artificial intelligence is now a part of our normal lives and is no longer the realm of science fiction. Today, we are encompassed by this technology everywhere. From automated parking systems, intelligent sensors for capturing magnificent photos, and personal help and assistance, AI has become a powerful modern technology and is projected to disrupt any field that deals with huge volumes of data, and education is no different. Personalized learning. AI can analyze student data and create personalized learning paths for individual students. This helps students to learn at their own pace and in a way that suits them. AI-based learning platforms can adapt to the needs of each student and provide them with a customized learning experience. Intelligent tutoring systems. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide students with instant feedback on their work. This helps them to identify their weaknesses and work on improving them. AI can also provide personalized guidance and support to students who are struggling with a particular topic. Intelligent content. AI can be used to create interactive and engaging content. This can help to keep students engaged and motivated. AI-powered content can also adapt to the learning style and preferences of individual students. Efficient administrative tasks. AI can help to automate administrative tasks such as grading and scheduling. This can save teachers a lot of time and allow them to focus on teaching. Improved student engagement. AI can provide real-time feedback to students. This helps to keep them engaged and motivated. AI can also provide interactive and immersive learning experiences that can make learning more fun and engaging. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the education system in many ways. From personalized learning to intelligent tutoring systems, AI is changing the way we learn. AI is helping to create a more efficient and effective education system that is tailored to the needs of individual students. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting applications of this technology in the field of education. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technology trends.